Hi guys, just a quick tutorial here on how to use Desmos. Right now I'm in the graphing utility. There are a number of calculators that Desmos has, but today I'll be going over the graphing utility. So, as you can see, it's got the graph over here, and over here we can put in whatever equation we want. 2x, you can see it graphs the line just fine. Plus 7 or plus 6, and it'll change it. Now, I can go down here to this part, put in another equation. I can sit here and put in as many equations as I want, even getting more complicated ones. Now, down here, normally this would be down on the side like this. Once you click it, it comes up, and then you have a lot more options that you can do, like you can put in a greater than or equal to, or any inequality. So let's say I want to do this, I could do that. I could do it square root or pi, or I could even do an absolute value problem. And then if you go over here, you can see we have a lot of other options here. Right here you see we have the trig functions. So you could throw one of those into your equation. There's some stats information. And if you go through here, now for those of you that know about derivatives and integrals, I do not recommend using Desmos for calculating those because it doesn't always calculate them correctly. I've done a few different tests, which I can do a quick test here for the integrals. And you can see it did calculate it, but I don't know if that's actually, it did something different on me earlier. Instead, I'm going to try this. So when I put in the derivative of 2x, it works as intended. But if I put in 2x plus 7, it says that the derivative is 9, which is not true. It's actually 2 still, but unfortunately that the system must not calculate it correctly. But anyway, that's been a quick tutorial on how to use Desmos.